Hey everybody, welcome back. Super excited to be back. It's been forever since I have been able to make a video and I have missed you guys so much. So in this video, as you see, this is the gender reveal that I promised you guys that you had been asking for. I know it has taken me quite some time, but I've had the baby and the baby is about a month old now. So I've just now gotten around to doing it, but I did it for you guys. Like I said, it did take forever, and I hated that. I really did, because I wanted to do all of this beforehand, but it's done now. I finally got it made for y'all. What I have in the paint is paint, water, matte medium, M1, which is similar to Floetrol. And in this first pour, I did not have silicone. I forgot to put it in there, so that's why I did the second pour. In the second pour, I added silicone and all of the colors and just barely stirred it, and then poured the second piece. But one of these I'm going to pick. That's my favorite. So far, I think the second piece is my favorite. And I'm going to put the baby's name on it and hang it above the bed for the baby. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'm so glad to be back making videos for you guys, and I will see y'all again very soon.